This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pie top crust. First, gather your ingredients and tools. Ensure your butter and water are very cold to achieve that perfect flaky texture. We'll cover rolling techniques and how to transfer your dough without tearing. This guide will help you master the art of a stunning pie topping, making your homemade pies truly stand out. Let's get started on crafting that ideal crust. Once your dough is chilled, it's time to roll it out. Lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin to prevent sticking. Roll from the center outwards, rotating the dough frequently to maintain an even thickness, aiming for about 1/8 inch. If you're making a lattice, cut strips now. For a solid top, ensure it's large enough to cover your pie dish with some overhang. Handle the dough gently to keep it tender. Now, carefully transfer your rolled dough over your pie filling. You can gently fold it in half or quarters to make this easier. Once centered, unfold it and press down lightly around the edges. Trim any excess dough, leaving about a 1/2 inch overhang, then crimp the edges for a decorative finish. Don't forget to cut a few slits or use a cookie cutter to create vents, allowing steam to escape during baking. For a golden brown crust, start baking your pie at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes. This initial high heat helps set the crust. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking until the filling is bubbly and the crust is beautifully golden. If the edges brown too quickly, you can cover them with foil. Remember to let your pie cool completely before slicing for the best texture. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.